Hello, let's see the solution to weather observation station 5, another SQL question on HackerRank. Query the two cities in a station with the shortest and longest city names, as well as the respective lengths, that is the number of characters in city names. If there is more than one smallest or largest city, choose the one that comes first when ordered alphabetically. We have the station table. And for example, if we have 4 cities or entries in our table, the city names are DEF, ABC, PQRS, and WXY. The output should be ABC, where ABC is the name of the city with shortest length, and 3 is the length of characters in the city name. And PQRS is the longest city name with its length. So when we order these city names alphabetically, it will become ABC, DEF, PQRS, and WXY. Of this, we have 3 city names with shortest length, which is length 3. And after ordering that, ABC will come first. So we are going to select ABC and print its length. And we have only one city with longest length. We are going to print its name and its length, which is 4. So let's query our table. Let's say select a star from station. Let's see what we have in our table. Run the code. We have different information and we are interested only in this column or the city name. We don't want to use all these other columns. So what we are going to do, instead of a star, let's print only the city names. Select city from station. We got all the city names. So to print the length of each city alongside the city name, we can use the length function. So let's print the length of, or the number of characters in each city name. We can use the length function. Length of city is going to print the city name and length of each city name. So to order these entries according to the length of the city names, we can use the order by class. So order by the length of the city is going to order in ascending by default. So run the code. So we have the smallest city of length 3, but we have multiple of them, and we are going to order these city names alphabetically also. So after ordering by length, we are going to order by city name also. It's going to by default order in ascending. So let's run our code. We got the smallest city which is alphabetically order. So we are interested in only one entry or one row. We can use the limit function to get only one row. So we got our first result. Let's do the same for the maximum length. So for that, we are going to select city name, length of city from station, order by length of city. This time we are going to order from largest to smallest or in descending order. So let's manually pass descending here. And also we are going to limit by 1 because we want to get the only one largest city. Let's run the code. It's accepted and submitted. It successfully passed all the test cases. Here we say, note, you can write 2 separate queries to get the desired output. It need not to be a single query. We have written 2 separate queries, but if you want to write it in a single query, we can union the result of these 2 queries using the union keyword. So the result of this query, union the result of this query. If you want to write it all in one query, we can do that. So union Yep, it's accepted.